Dear students, the compound dynamics chapter is going on. Until yesterday, we have discussed 16 sums. Now let us discuss 17th question. He given that a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2. Whenever he given a plus b plus c equal to pi by 2 and sigma cos of b plus c by cos b cos c, simply shortcut. A is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 30 degrees we have taken. Because 30 plus 30 plus 30 is equal to 90, you can substitute here 30 plus 30 becomes 60. Sigma cos 60 by cos 30 into cos 30, you can write cos square 30. Cos 60 value 1 by 2 and cos square 30 value 3 by 4. It becomes sigma 2 by 3. You can write here 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 equal to 6 by 3 becomes 2. Option 2. Now 18th question. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square, and tan alpha is equal to xy by z. Tan alpha equal to xy by z. Tan beta equal to yz by xr, and tan gamma is equal to xy by z. Tan gamma is equal to xz by yr. Tan gamma is equal to xz by yr. Then what is the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma? Let x is equal to y is equal to z, you can write. Simply taking as a shortcut. So r square is equal to x square plus x square plus x square. In the trigonometry, always if we put shortcuts belonging equilateral triangle, then it is always better. Here we have taken equiconcept. Whenever here pi is there, then you can put 60, 60, 60. Whenever 270 is there, you can put 90, 90, 90. Like the equilateral concept. Here x equal to y equal to z. We have taken equal. So r square is becoming 3x square. So x square is equal to r square by 3. So x you can write r by root 3. Not only x, because x is equal to y is equal to z, y is equal to r by root 3, and z is equal to also r by root 3. Now you can write tan alpha is equal to x into y. Understood like this, r by root x into y. So x that get cancelled. Y by r. What is y here? R by root 3 into 1 by r, you write. R get cancelled. So tan alpha is equal to 1 by root 3. How many degrees? Tan how many degrees equal to 1 by root 3? 30. Therefore alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Similarly, you can say beta is equal to 30 degrees. Because same concept. Gamma is equal to also 30 degrees. He is asking alpha plus beta plus gamma. 30 plus 30 plus 30, it is 90 degrees. In the radials given option, second option. Third option, 5 by 2. Did you bring IP textbook, Samukesh? Open it. Open page number 255, example 14. IP textbook, page number 255, example 14. It is IMP 4 marks question or 7 marks question. It is so lengthy question. In IP, simply you write here and see the question and read the answer. Read the question, good.
Let ABC be a triangle such that cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 3. Then prove that ABC is an equilateral triangle.
Now read the question, 19th question in our objective material. In triangle ABC, if cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to root 3, then triangle ABC is dash equilateral triangle. So triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Shortcut also you can put, because sum of angles in any triangle equal to 180 degrees. So you can substitute A is equal to 60, B is equal to 60, C is equal to 60. According to IB question you had written direct answer. In objectivity shortcut is there, cot 60 plus cot 60 plus cot 60. So what is the value of cot 60? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So it is 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3 is nothing but root. That's all. Now 20th question. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus a sin of A plus B plus C. Minus a sin of A plus B plus C by cos A cos B cos C. Cos A cos B cos C. Here also you can put shortcut. A equal to B equal to C equal to 60. A equal to B equal to C equal to 60. What is the value of tan 60? Root 3. Root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3. We'll calculate now. Root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 minus sin, students, sin of A plus B plus C means sin 60 plus 60 plus 60 sin 180. Sin 180 becomes 0. Sin n pi equal to 0. Don't forget that one. Sin 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, any pi value is 0. No need to calculate. So it is answer is 3 root 3. Now option 1. Read the option 1. Tan A into tan B into tan C. Tan A into tan B into tan C. What we thought A and B and C. A is equal to 60, B is equal to 60, C is equal to 60. Now you can understand tan 60 into tan 60 into tan 60. Tan 60 into tan 60 into tan 60. What is the value of tan 60 degrees? Root 3. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3. That's all. Verified. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3. 3 root 3, that is equal to verified. First option. No other values verified. Only first option verified. Now, a formula is necessary. IPE textbook. Open page number 248 in IPE textbook. Page 248. Open and read the formula of cos of A plus B plus C. Cos of A plus B plus C. Expansions are there. I said this question in that board next board. Did you observe cos of A plus B plus C expansion is there? Can you say, no need to say proof, direct formula I say cos of A plus B plus C is equal to, read it.
Cos A cos B cos C.
Cos A
Cos B.
cos A cos minus sin A cos B.
Cos A sin B sin C.
Cos A sin B sin C.
Minus
Minus cos B. Understood what I am saying? Cos B remaining sin terms. Next cos C remaining sin terms. Is it? Here A is cos, B and C sin. Next B is cos, A and C sin. Next C is cos, A and C sin. Right line. Right the expansion. Cos A cos B cos C minus cos A sin B sin C and here sin A cos B sin C, sin A cos B sin C minus sin A sin B cos C, sin A sin B cos C. What he is asking? 21 question. Cos A cos B cos C equal to 1 by 3, then tan A tan B. Okay, given this one, keep aside, it is useful. In triangle ABC, given the question, in triangle ABC, cos A cos B cos C is equal to 1 by 3. Then find the value of tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. Find the value of tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. Now cos A cos B cos C given. Now students, let us write this one as sin A by cos A, this model you write. Sin A by cos A into sin B by cos B. Sin A by cos, like this, separately we take sin B by cos B. Sin B by cos B into sin C by cos C plus sin C by cos C into sin A by cos C. Take an LCM, cos A cos B cos C in the denominator. Take LCM like this. Cos A cos B cos C. Cos A cos B cos C. Now except cos A cos B, you can get here cos C. Right here cos C sin A sin B. Cos C sin A sin B. Here except cos B cos C, you can get cos A tan. Cos A sin B sin C. Here except cos A cos A, you can get cos B tan. So sin A cos B sin C. Sin A cos B. Now using this one, is there any useful? Cos from 1 we can write. From 1, this is 2. From 1. I mean, what happened, boy? From 1, substitute here cos of A plus B plus C. Cos of, here given in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, sum of angles is equal to 180 degrees. So right here cos 180 degrees is equal to, what is the value of cos A, cos B, cos C? Is given 1 by 3. Cos 180 is equal to 1 by 3 minus of, pull this answer. So cos A sin B sin C. Cos A sin B sin C plus minus taken common, like this you can write. Sin A cos B sin C plus sin A sin B cos C. Do you know the value of cos 180? How much? Minus 1. Cos 90 plus 90 minus sin 80 is minus 1. Minus 1, this 1 by 3 taken this side. Minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus of cos A sin B sin C plus sin A cos B sin C plus sin A sin B cos C. It becomes minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus of cos A sin B sin C plus sin A cos B sin C plus sin A sin B cos C. So numerator becomes, you observe this one, numerator becomes simply 4 by 3. Would you be able to understand? Because minus 1 minus 1 by 3 becomes minus 4 by 3. Take an answer. Well, minus 4 by 3 could not understand. Take LCM. Minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus of like this full term cos A sin B sin C plus sin A cos B everything sin A cos B sin C plus sin A sin B cos C sin A sin B cos C minus minus get cancelled from 2 you write substitute this value here so numerator becomes 4 by 3 denominator becomes 1 by 3 because he given already given cos A cos B cos C 1 by 3 from 2 you can write the value 4 by 3 by 1 by 3 3 get cancelled answer is 4 third option 21 sums completed 22 cos x by cos of x minus 2y is equal to lambda that implies tan of x minus y into tan y is equal to how much tan of x plus x minus y into tan y given value you write cos x by cos of x minus 2y is equal to lambda by 1 now use componendo and dividendo concept use componendo comma dividendo componendo comma dividendo meaning numerator by denominator is equal to numerator by denominator is given then you can understand numerator plus denominator by numerator plus denominator this is the concept same concept you should apply numerator for this one equality symbols numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator so that implies cos x plus cos of x minus 2y whole by numerator minus denominator cos x minus cos of x minus 2y is equal to lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1 now apply the formula cos c plus cos d 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 2 cos c plus d by 2 2 cos x plus x minus 2y by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2 x minus x plus y minus of minus by cos c minus cos d formula minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 is equal to lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1. Here 2 get cancelled x. Okay. Cos of x minus y we can write. Cos 2x minus 2y by 2. That implies we can write here cos of x minus y because 2x minus 2y by 2 x get cancelled here cos 2y by 2 becomes cos y whole by minus symbol is there. Same concept, minus sine of x minus y into, of course it is sine y, is equal to lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1. Now can you say cos x by cos, this becomes cot of x minus y into cot y is equal to 1 plus lambda by 1 minus lambda. Here minus is there, minus taken common here also. Lambda minus 1 became as 1 minus lambda because multiplied with minus both sides. But he is asking tan x minus y into tan y. So take reciprocal. Reciprocal means here that implies you can write directly tan of x minus y into tan y. Take the reciprocal, it becomes 1 minus lambda by 1 plus lambda. 1 minus lambda by 1 plus lambda. Second option. Yes. I could explain by x equals comma tan a is equal to y sin a by 1 minus y cos a. Find sin a by sin b value. Sin a by sin b value. Tan a is equal to x sin b by 1 minus x cos b given, and tan b is equal to y sin a by 1 minus y cos a. Tan a given in terms of b, and tan b given in terms of a. We should calculate the value of sin a by sin b. Given tan a is equal to x sin b by 1 minus x cos b. You write this one as sin a by cos a and take cross multiplication. You write this one as sin b by cos b and take cross multiplication. So given, you write here sin a by cos a. Sin a by cos a is equal to x sin b by 1 minus x cos b. Take cross multiplication. So sin a minus x sin a into cos b is equal to x sin b into cos a. That implies sin a is equal to this term taken this side. You can take common x and you can write like this: sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Therefore, sin a is equal to x sin of a plus b. Let it be first equation. Students, I think directly you can write using this one. Same concept. Same concept. So you can write sin b is equal to y sin of a plus b. Same concept. Similarly, you write directly. Similarly, sin b is equal to y sin of a plus b. Let this is second equation. Now first equation by second equation becomes sin a by sin b is equal to x sin of a plus b by y sin of a plus b. Sin terms get cancel. Answer is simply x by y. Students who have completed compound angles level 2 classwork, level 1 classwork already given homework to students, and level 1 homework also students should do. Level 2 homework also I am giving today the work to you. Now I am handing level 3 compound angles level 3, compound angles objective level 3. Total 12 questions are there. In your material also 12, 14. First question, if tan alpha comma tan beta. First question, shortcut is there, but two options will get. If tan alpha comma tan beta are the roots. If tan alpha comma tan beta are the roots. Tan alpha comma tan beta are the roots of x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Then you should calculate the value sin square of alpha plus beta, sin square of alpha plus beta plus p into sin of alpha plus beta into cos of alpha plus beta plus q cos square of alpha plus beta. Q cos square of alpha plus beta is equal to dash. Same question you can face in quadratic expression chapter in second year mathematics 2A. In object only, not in IPV. Use the formula sum of fruits and product of fruits regarding quadratic equations. Tan alpha comma tan beta are roots given. So tan alpha plus tan beta is equal to sum of fruits here minus p, and the product of fruits here tan alpha into tan beta, that is equal to q. Now apply the formula tan of alpha plus beta, because he is asking for every trigonometric function alpha plus beta terms. Now what is the formula of tan of alpha plus beta? Tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. You can write minus p by 1 minus q, or p by q minus 1. P by q minus 1. Draw a right angle triangle. Put here PQR. Okay, ABC. Because P letter is here. Tan means opposite by adjacent side. It is becoming as p square plus q minus 1 whole square over root. Because square of the amplitude sum of the squares of the two sides, this is square plus this is square over root. Now using this triangle, you write sin of alpha plus beta and cos of alpha plus beta also. Sin meaning opposite by hypotenuse. So p by p square plus q minus 1 whole square into and cos of alpha plus beta. Cos of alpha plus beta meaning adjacent side by hypotenuse. So q minus 1 by p square plus q minus 1 whole square over root. We found here sin and cos and tan terms also. Now we should calculate using this one. Apply here sin square of alpha plus beta. So p square by square is there, then don't write to root here, because root and square will be getting cancelled. Plus p into sin alpha plus beta into cos alpha plus beta he given. Observe the values here, sin alpha plus beta. So you can write p into q minus 1 whole by. Students, you observe here root into root, only single term. Because root into root becomes root square, not right. Root a into root a becomes only a. So p square plus q minus 1 whole square. P square plus q minus 1 whole square. Close it. Next one, q into cos square of alpha plus beta. So q into q minus 1 by p square plus q minus 1 whole square. So for denominator, everything we got only p square plus q minus 1 whole square. Write as LCM, only unit term, only one term, q minus 1 whole square. This is p square plus multiply here p square q minus pq. No, p square q. P into p square 2 minus p square 2 1 p square. Okay. Plus here q square minus q. Get cancelled p square and p square. Observe here in numerator q term is common. Q here, here. So q you take common. You can write p square plus q minus 1. Something is okay. Students here p or 2 observe. Here q minus 1. Yeah. Yes. This one along with p into p minus sin alpha plus beta into cos alpha plus beta sin of alpha p into q minus 1 correct one. This one q square here, na? Yeah, this square here. Q square is just solution. Rub it. Is it p or 2 once you see? P only. This one p only. Boy, here p is there. Sin of alpha plus beta meaning p by correct only. Third one. Q he given. Yeah. Q he given and q minus 1 whole square. Now take LCM. P square plus q minus 1 whole square. P square plus p square q minus p square. Q into q minus 1 whole square, expand q minus 1 whole square, multiply. It becomes q cube minus 2q square plus q. How q square minus 2q plus 1. Multiplied q cube minus 2q square plus 1. P square, b square get cancelled. And now students, you take common q. It becomes p square plus q square minus 2q plus 1 by you take a common here it got 4 times. Denominator you expand p square plus this one q square minus 2q plus 1. This one get cancelled. So answer is q. Why shall we put shortcut? Alpha equal to 45. Beta also 45. Alpha equal to 45, beta equal to 45. So tan alpha plus tan beta meaning 1 plus 1. So P is equal to minus 2. Tan alpha into tan beta. Q is equal to 1. Whenever alpha equal to 45, beta equal to 45 is there, alpha plus beta becomes 90. We should calculate, forget about tan 90 infinity, okay, forget. Sin square alpha plus beta gives 1. Sin square alpha plus beta gives 1. Of course, cos 90 0, no need to calculate. Of course, cos 90 0, no need to calculate. Only 1 we got. So 1 meaning, what is the value 1 we got here? Q. Option is there Q. It is a shortcut. But we given 1 also there. That is why done this full thing. 1 also given as option. So whatever we have taken that one we got like this Q we can put. Okay. Anyhow we have done the sum. Next, second question. Un is equal. We can put shortcut here. Un is equal to sin n theta into secant power n theta. Secant power n theta. Vn is equal to cos n theta. Vn is equal to cos n theta into cosec. Both are same. Cos n theta into secant power n theta. For n is equal to 0, 1, 2. For n is equal to 0, 1, 2. Vn minus 1 plus un minus 1 into tan theta. Un minus 1 into tan theta. If we put theta equal to 0, shortcut. Put theta equal to 0. That meaning un becomes 0 because sin 0, 0. Vn becomes cos 0 into secant 0 power 1 power anything because cos 0 1 this is 1 1. So I want to discuss with you that you take the n minus 1 or n minus 2 or anything, whether the angle is 0, the total value becomes 0. Here 1 once you got 1, so always you get 1. Now apply here Vn is 1, of course Vn minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 plus already we got then as 0, so answer is 0. 0 is the option there. Yeah, first one. Third one, sin of theta plus a. Sin of theta plus a by sin of theta plus b. Sin of theta plus a by sin of theta plus b is equal to root of sin 2a by sin 2. Root of sin 2a by sin 2b. Then tan theta is equal to dash. Then tan theta equal to dash. According to options, if we put tan square theta is equal to dash. Instead of sin or tan, okay, everything given in tan terms only. Put just shortcut, I'm thinking, because while substituting shortcut you should not get 0 by 0 answer. That is why a is equal to 45, b is equal to 45. If 0, you are taking 0 by 0 is wrong. 90, sin 180, sin 180, 0 by 0 is wrong. That is why 45 by 45 to take. What is the value of sin 2 into 45? Sin 90. Sin 90 means 1. Denominator also 1. So, sin theta plus 45 by sin theta plus 45, of course it is 1. So this is 1 equal to 1 we got. So right, our expectation is right. Now 1 we should get. Option 1 or 2 options are there, third also there, not possible. Shortcut is not. 2 options, so 3 options we are getting because tan A 45, tan 41, first option okay, second option okay, third option is not okay, and fourth option also okay. Which is given? Fourth. So we should write, there is no shortcut. Sin of how much is given? Theta plus a. Sin of theta plus a into sin of theta plus b is equal to root sin 2a by sin 2. Find tan square theta. Find tan square theta. We'll do one thing. Get cancel the root. To get cancel the root, we should square both sides. Sin square theta plus a by sin square theta plus b is equal to sin a by sin b. Sin 2a by sin b. Sin square theta plus a by taking cross multiplication. He is asking tan square. So tan square, how will we get? Is any condition is there? Read the condition. Nothing. No condition is there. What is the value of sin theta cos a? Sin theta cos a into sin theta cos a plus cos theta sin b. Full expansion. Whole square 1 into sin 2b is equal to sin 2a to sin square of theta plus. Students, if we put 0, theta tan 0 answer 0. So anything either a or b we should get 0. Shortcut is not possible. Very good question. Sin square of theta plus a into sin 2b is equal to sin square of theta plus b into sin 2a sin square of sin theta cos a plus cos theta sin a whole square full expansion. Because sin a cos a plus cos a sin a into sin 2b is equal to sin theta cos b plus cos theta sin b whole square into sin 2a. It's so horrible because a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Not a joke, but much lengthy should not be. Sin of theta plus a by sin of theta plus b is equal to root of sin 3 by sin 2b. Students, shortcut is there. What is the shortcut? What I said before, a is equal to 45, b is equal to 45. A is equal to 45, b is equal to 45. Taking the shortcut, we will get the answer because he is asking tan square theta, not simple tan theta. Whenever tan square theta is there, tan into tan, 2 terms should be there. 2 terms, tan a into tan, only 4 terms. We cannot do such model. Simply theta is equal to theta or a I said. A is equal to 45 degree. A is equal to 45 and b is equal to also 45. So sin of theta plus a by sin of theta plus b is equal to 1. So everything is right. Sin of theta plus a by sin of theta plus b is equal to 1. This is right. So tan square theta, you can understand tan square theta is equal to tan theta into tan theta. Of course, put theta is equal to 45. That is also shortcut. Now sin 45 plus 45 becomes sin 90. Sin 45 plus 45 becomes sin 90. Sin 90 being 1 by 1. Okay, everything is okay. Now tan square theta becomes tan square 45. Tan square 45, of course it is 1. This can be understood as tan 45 into tan 45. Tan 45 into tan 45 you can write according to your option tan a into tan. Maybe we get answer, but it becomes so lengthy because a plus b whole square into this a plus b whole square into this is not a joke. Fourth question, I think this is IP question only. That all I am saying, 2 terms you should get. Not only simple tan square, so 2 terms. Second option also very important. That is why I am discussing that 2 terms. Read fourth question. Tan beta. If tan beta is equal to 2 sin alpha into sin gamma into cosec of alpha plus gamma. 2 sin alpha into sin gamma into cosecant of alpha plus gamma. 2 sin alpha into sin gamma into cosecant of alpha plus gamma. Then, according to options, which one is cot alpha, cot beta, cot gamma, or in dash? Cot alpha, cot beta, cot gamma. Then cot alpha, cot beta, cot gamma are in arithmetic progression or harmonic progression or geometric progression like this. Like this. Tan beta is equal to 2 sin alpha sin gamma whole by sin of alpha plus gamma. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. That is why we can write. And taking reciprocal. Taking reciprocal like this by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication you can write sin of alpha plus gamma by sin of alpha plus gamma by sin alpha sin gamma is equal to 2 by tan beta. That implies expand sin of alpha plus gamma. It is sin alpha cos gamma plus cos alpha sin gamma whole by sin alpha sin gamma is equal to 2 cot beta. That implies x. Separate this expansion sin alpha cos gamma by sin alpha sin gamma. Sin alpha cos gamma by sin alpha sin gamma plus cos alpha sin gamma by sin alpha sin gamma. Sin alpha sin gamma is equal to 2 cot beta. Here sin gamma get cancelled, sin alpha get cancelled. That implies you are getting cot alpha plus cot gamma. Cot alpha plus cot gamma is equal to 2 cot beta. Can you say this is in which progression? We got cot alpha plus cot gamma equal to 2 into cot beta. AB, arithmetic progression. Therefore, cot alpha, comma cot beta, comma cot gamma are in AP. Fifth question. First, let us try with shortcut. Shortcut is possible. If not, we can apply the sum. If tan beta is equal to n tan alpha by tan beta equal to n tan alpha by 1 plus of 1 minus n into tan square alpha. Then tan of alpha minus beta is equal to what? Tan of alpha minus beta is equal to dash. Put alpha equal to 45, beta equal to 45, n equal to 1. Then it becomes verified perfectly. Tan 45 meaning 1. Here 1 into 1 by 1 plus, of course it is 0. So 1 equal to 1. Whatever we thought, it is right. Now, verification of options. 1 plus n, 1 plus 1, 2 tan alpha is wrong because 1 minus should be there. How many options are there using minus? Second or fourth. In fourth option, minus is there. If you put n is equal to 1, you should get minus 0. There is no question of minus 0. Simply 0. So that's our second option. Verify second option. Verify second option. Read the second option. 1 minus n into 1 minus n into tan alpha. What he is asking, students, tan of alpha minus beta is asking. Tan of alpha minus beta meaning tan of 45 minus 45. Tan 0 value 0. So tan of find you can write tan of alpha minus beta, that is equal to tan of 45 minus 45. Of course it is 0. So tan 0 is 0. Here you can put n is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. That's all. Okay students, in level 3 we have completed 5 questions. 7 questions are remaining. Tomorrow we can handle the 7 questions.